Now let's crochet sunflowers using brown and yellow yarn. We need to make a total of 3 sunflowers. First, we need to make a magic ring and 6 single crochets in the magic ring. So 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now pull the yarn to close the hole. The next row is 6 increased stitches. It means 2 single crochet into 1 stitch. So this is 1 single crochet, the second one. The next stitch will have 3 and 4, then the next stitch 5 and 6, and 3 more increased stitches. So 7, 8, 9, 10, and the last one is 11 and 12. Now we have 12 single crochet stitches in the second row. Take your yellow yarn and make a slip knot in the yellow yarn. Insert your hook into the next stitch and pull the yellow yarn through the stitch and through the loop on your hook. We don't need brown yarn anymore, so just take your scissors and cut the end, leaving a short tails. Now we'll start making petals. Make 2 chain stitches. Make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Now we will make a picot stitch. Make 2 chain stitches. Insert your hook through the front loop and the left leg of the top part of the double crochet stitch. After that, just finish your slip stitch as normal. Now, make 1 double crochet into the same stitch with the first double crochet stitch. Make 2 chain stitches and make a slip stitch into the next stitch. We just finished our first petal and we need to make 5 more. Just follow the same pattern as for the first petal. So 2 chain stitches, double crochet into the next stitch, then picot with 2 chain stitches, slip stitch into the front loops, double crochet into the same stitch with double crochet with the first double crochet, 2 chain stitches and a slip stitch into the next stitch. So this is gonna be our second petal. Repeat this process 4 times to get a total of 6 petals. When you are finishing your last petal, make 2 chain stitches and make a slip stitch into the first stitch in the round where we started the petals. Leave a short tail and cut the thread. You can secure and hide the yellow yarn into the petals. The brown yarn will be used to stitch the flowers to their spots on the stems. Don't forget to make 2 more sunflowers to our hanging sunflower plant.